Hey guys, welcome back to Tsp Pink Salt. Today we're going to be keeping it really simple. We're going to be making almond milk, and I promise once you taste this almond milk, you will never want to buy store-bought almond milk again. It just tastes so amazing, and it's so easy to make. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our soaked almonds. Now I soaked mine overnight, however I do have a much quicker option in the description below. We're gonna rinse them and then place them in our blender along with our water. Now this looks like a lot of water compared to the recipe below, but I did double this recipe. Okay, so keep that in mind. The next thing we're gonna do is blend on high speed until it is nice and milky and you don't really see any bits of almond. But then I'm gonna add in our sweetener. I used maple syrup and I added some pink salt, and we're then gonna blend it again until the salt and the sweetener is nicely dissolved. And for you coffee lovers out there, this cream on top, or this foam, is so silky and light. Like, it is absolutely perfect for your morning cup of coffee. So I definitely recommend doing that before we go into the straining process, which we're doing now. So we're just gonna pour our almond milk mixture into our nut milk bag. Now, if you don't have a nut milk bag, don't fret. You can use a clean cotton t-shirt or a clean tea towel. That would work perfectly as well. And we're gonna take our time and squeeze the pulp to extract as much of the liquid out as possible. So this will take some time. And as you can see, you'll be left with some pulp. Don't throw that away. I do have some recipes on how you can use that. I did taste my almond milk and I thought that it needed a little more sweetener, a little more salt. So I just added that and I'm mixing it in before I go ahead and pour it into my drink receptacle and put it in my fridge. Guys, did you see how easy that was? Like, that took no time at all. And I promise you, it tastes so much better than store-bought. Like I said, you will never want to go back to store-bought almond milk after having this. Your smoothies taste better, your cereal tastes better, your oatmeal tastes better, everything tastes better. So give this recipe a try. It does not take that long. And that pulp, remember I told you not to throw it away? I do have some videos on how you can use this pulp and add some additional fiber and nutrition to your meals, your snacks. So that link will be above, somewhere above. So definitely click on that if you would like to see those videos. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. I love reading all of your comments. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. I put out new videos just like this one every single week. And until next time, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.